Solve 4x cube minus 43x plus 21 equal to 0. Here they told us to solve, which means we should get the values of x. For that, here we have to change the x term. What I mean is, see, 4x cube in place of minus 43x, now I write minus 1x minus 42x plus 21 equal to 0. This is your step 1. Next, what can be taken out common from these two terms is x. From this x out you get 4x square minus from this x out you get 1. In the same way, what can be taken out common from these two terms is minus 21. Here we get 2x and here we get minus 1 equal to 0. Now this quadratic I will simplify it here. That is 4x square minus 1 equal to 4 is 2 square x square minus on 1 even if we put the square it remains the same. Now 2 square x square is 2x whole square minus 1 square. Now on this we should apply the formula a square minus b square, that is a minus b times a plus b. In place of a 2x, in place of b 1, so we get 2x minus 1 times 2x plus 1. Now in place of this quadratic we should write this over here. So this equation becomes x times 2x minus 1 2x plus 1, this no change, equal to 0. Next, from this entire equation, what can be taken out common is 2x minus 1. So 2x minus 1 outside. Over here we are left with these two, that is x times 2x plus 1. And over here we are left with minus 21 equal to 0. Now 2x minus 1. Now we open up the brackets. You get 2x square plus x minus 21 equal to 0. Now this quadratic, I will factorize it here. That is 2x square plus x minus 21. To factorize this, we should split the middle term plus 1x. In place of plus 1x, now I write plus 7x minus 6x minus 21. Next, what can be taken out common from these two terms is x. From this x out you get 2x plus from this x out you get 7. Now whatever we got here, here also we should get the same thing. From this 2x gone inside, so outside we get minus 3. Even if you multiply and check, still you get the same thing. Now take out 2x plus 7 common. So here we have x and here minus 3. Now in place of this quadratic, we should write this over here. So this equation becomes 2x minus 1, 2x plus 7, x minus 3 equal to 0. More, here they told us to solve, which means we should get the values of x, and over here we got product of brackets equal to 0. So to get x values, we should equate each bracket to 0. That is 2x minus 1 equal to 0, 2x plus 7 equal to 0, x minus 3 equal to 0. Now to get x value from here, I should remove minus 1, so add 1. You get 2x equal to 1. Now I should remove 2, so divide by 2. You get x equal to 1 by 2. Now here I should remove plus 7, so subtract 7. You get 2x equal to minus 7. Now I should remove 2, so divide by 2. You get x equal to minus 7 by 2. Now here I should remove minus 3, so add 3. You get x equal to 3. So the x values that we got are 1 by 2, minus 7 by 2 and 3. This is our answer.